Hello,
Hi, good morning.
good morning. What's your name?
Yeah, it's me, Kapil Vyas from Jaipur, Rajasthan.
Kapil, how are you?
I'm good, ma'am, and you?
I'm good too. So let me introduce myself first. I am Sanskriti Gupta and I am HR Project Manager at GB Private Limited. We are the recruiting agency for overseas employment and we are working for European companies. So Kapil, we found your CV quite good and you are experienced too. So what can you tell me about your projects?
Yeah, it's currently I'm working with Internet Wallet Myanmar Limited. They are having like similar application in India. We are using like Paytm, so they are using Okidollar application. So that application that is an app which is running in iOS as well as Android. So that app having a functionality in like paying bills, booking flights, and we can find out like near around agents so that we can go that shop or particular agents and we can like withdraw money, we can transfer money, and as well as we can like add money from our bank also. We can buy gift card also, let's say Skype gift card, Viber games, like these kind of functionality. And currently I'm working with different projects of this company. One is like a KYC. Like a KYC is like whosoever registering in a OK Dollar application, they have to give like exact details about that candidate. Also, along with that, we have just in last month we have completed one project of the current company, that is payment gateway we have added. And in payment gateway, like our OK Dollar payment gateway we have added so that other merchants also can integrate our payment gateway and they can do like a money transfer through using our uh, payment gateway. Before that, I have worked with in Decatis Corporation, Jaipur, Rajasthan, and there I have handled Disney client also, and I work with them also. And there we have worked on in-house project also, and offshore on-site project also, like a gangway. And before that, I have worked with IndiaResults.com in Jaipur, Rajasthan. That company is basically dealing results. They are publishing results in all over India. And before that, I have started my career with NIC, and there I have worked with government based project, that is a totally employee management kind of project. So they are like the date of joining, they are maintaining the data of an employee whosoever joining the government department. So my experience in .NET technology using C Sharp, MVC, JavaScript, jQuery, LinkQ, Entity Framework, SQL Server, or total 8 year plus I have experience in .NET technology.
Good. So which was the most time-taking projects you have done?
Current company I have done with 2 3 projects, that is like around 8 months 1 year projects. One is Lucky Draw. So that project is like whosoever doing payment through our Okidollar application, we are giving a chance to get the certain amount through like a spin wheel. We are giving, let's say if you done any transaction through our application, then we are giving one chance or like some chances to spin a wheel. If you spin, then you can win a certain amount. So that we have created a offer also, like on the basis of division, city, or like area basis, we have created offers. And if a particular candidate is lying into that division, or maybe like a certain condition basis, like age group wise, 18 to 22 size people can participate in that offer. So like that we have created. That is the reason it took so long, because we have added so many conditions and so many. It's a like a wide project, vast project. So on front end side, we have added lots of like spin wheel, and we found like lots of challenge in while doing this project. As well as we have done with voting system also, like in India we having a Indian Idol. So we have created Myanmar Idol project. So what is the purpose of that project is like we are giving a one menu in a application side. So whosoever want to win maybe let's say after having some round of if a particular candidate singer is like competing one or two, or it's going to final round, then they are asking for vote. So we have added that voting system into our OK application. So using that facility, user can vote n number of vote to particular candidate, and that if that candidate got so many votes, then he can or she can won. So that is the criteria we have added. So like these project I have recent in current company I have completed.
Okay, So why are you looking for the job change? What are your
Yeah,
expecting with us?
yeah. Basically, actually, previously I was working as a client side. Just in a last month through Vande Bharat, I have came here, and now my family also forcing to work in India and get the better chance here. Whatever you are doing there, you can do it here. That is the reason I am looking for job in Jaipur or India only.
Okay. So Kapil, please rate your skills in different programming languages.
Yeah, sure. Like in C Sharp.net or like mostly in programming language C Sharp, I am giving you around 5, and SQL Server also 5, and like Angular JS is around 4, and MVC 5, and LinkQ also 5, JavaScript jQuery also 5.
Okay, Kapil, if you are selected, then how much time you will need to join us?
It will take around 1 month because I need to serve a notice period at least 1 month.
Okay. So do you have any questions?
Yeah, just want to know like if I am selected, please let me know, and when can I join, that also I want to know.
Yeah, we will let you
If
know shortly. No problem.
okay, ma'am. Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Kapil, it's nice to talk to you.
Same here, ma'am.
We will contact you shortly regarding round 2 interview. Okay?
Sure, ma'am. Sure. Thank you.
Okay, Kapil. Thank you.